It took me a little bit to find parking for the event, but I found some. It's funny because at first I was like calm excited, but now I'm like anxious excited. So anyway, deep breaths. So let me let y'all meet some of my family.
Why you mad? Cause we're blessed. Why you mad? Cause we're cute. Why you mad? Cause we're anointed.
Hey, okay, I'm blessed. Jesus by my side, cause he protect. Okay, don't test my faith. They say we nice, and we run the city like we bold. Hussein, don't play, no games. Okay. Hey, I'm counting, I'm getting these racks. The Bible stay on my lap. AP, he doing the dash. PGF, he doing the dash. Yeah. Too blessed, I'm sorry. Okay, being back again, you know that we some best. Me and my squad, we elevating while you take the steps. LOL, you're stressed. LOL, I'm dead. You better step to us, correct or profit.
It's Friday night and I feel alright. The party's here on the west side and turn it up.
You know we blessed. Okay, I'm blessed. Jesus by my side, cause he protect. Okay, don't test my faith. They say we nice.
So the event went well. It's 9:45, almost 10 o'clock. So I wound up staying longer than anticipated. My older sister and I were catching up. And now I'm about to go home. Not it being hot outside. So, okay. I'm thinking Starbucks, get a nice coffee, girl. Go to the mall, get some steps in. Let's go see what we get into.
There's a quiet place that gives me peace when I'm alone with you. There's a hiding place. Your spirit's always there when I'm confused. Yeah. Only you can purify. All this world won't ever satisfy my heart. It cries, and as the deer pants for the water, so my soul needs you, Lord. With thirsty God, you're the living water, and my soul needs you, Lord.
I went to Trader Joe's after I left the lake. I love their dark chocolate peanut butter cups. And so right now I'm gonna bake this thin crust. Surprisingly, no soy. I just said that, I just showed you chocolate that has soy. This parchment paper, y'all. So this is the pizza. Not my hands shaking. That's how you know I'm hungry. Okay, that sounds good. Well, thank you everybody for joining the meeting today. We'll chat next week.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prakash. Thank you,
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye. So while I was at Target, I picked up a spinach, goat cheese, wood fire pizza. I love goat cheese. I knew I was forgetting something. Am I gonna put this butt naked in the oven? We're gonna put you in the oven with no panties on, girl, because I'm hungry. It's not the kind of pizza that, let me move this out of the way, that'll like drip cheese or anything on the bottom of the oven. I'm gonna put this in there butt naked. Thank you, Jesus, that I have a washer dryer in my house. Every time I do laundry, I'm like, thank you, Jesus, because I used to have to go to the wash house, and that is not the ticket. I mean, it's a ticket if you gotta go, but I don't be liking to go. This is big pieces of goat cheese and the spinach and the tomatoes. Yes! What temperature do I gotta put it on? 425, and then bake for 17 minutes. We can do that. Pizza's done. Ooh. Ooh. Can't wait till you cool off.
Let me finish talking. Let me get this off my chest. I'm no stranger, you know me well, but it feels like we just met. I'm just trying to cope with the impossibilities I wish were possibilities. It's like I'm in a dream. I know you say you want me, but you're too afraid of happy. That hurts me, it scares me, but this is reality. And sometimes my mind plays tricks on me, telling me lies, like I'm making this up, like this is insanity, like this ain't reality. Oh, my mind is playing tricks on me. I won't believe it, I won't believe it, not for 1 second. I don't believe it, no, I don't believe it, but I still got questions. I wanna believe you, I want to believe you, but you're not helping. I wish you were see-through, I wish you could see me, wish I could see you. Oh, I wish that I could free your mind. And sometimes I wish that we could just rewind time. Oh, what if I never knew